macOS 10.14, and later may block apps from accessing iTunes backups. In this video, we'll show you how to fix this issue. How to fix the program fails to detect iTunes backup issue. Step 1. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your Mac screen. Then select System Preferences. Step 2. Find and click Security and Privacy in the Settings window. Step 3. If prompted, enter your Mac password or use Touch ID to unlock the settings. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click Full Disk Access under the Privacy tab. Step 5. Right-click the program icon on your desktop and choose Options Show in Finder. Then the application will appear in the Finder window. Step 6. Drag the application from Finder into the Full Disk Access list. Once added, the app may display a system permission icon or status change. This is normal and do not interrupt the process. Step 7. Close and reopen the program. It should now be able to detect your iTunes backup successfully.